This is Bela, an open-source platform for high-performance, ultra-low latency interactive audio. Bela is fast. It's the most responsive platform on the market with less than 1 millisecond latency. Bela is built on the BeagleBone Black and combines the power of an embedded computer with the hardware connectivity of a microcontroller. Bela is easy to use. It has everything you need for audio and sensor processing in one self-contained package, making it ideal for embedded projects.
We designed Bela for creating interactive audio systems, so things like digital musical instruments, audio effects boxes, synthesizers, and other types of interactive installations.
Plug in the board to your computer, call up the IDE in your browser, then click to build and run your code, which is compiled on the board. When you're done editing, you can detach the board from your computer, power it with a battery, and embed it in your project. Unlike on acoustic instruments, with digital instruments there is often a slight lag between action and sound. This latency makes the instrument less responsive and the experience less satisfying. Bela is capable of latency under 1 millisecond, faster than any musician can detect. No other platform in the market, including laptops, can match this performance. Bela runs on the BeagleBone Black with a 1 GHz ARM processor. It gives you stereo audio in and out, including onboard speaker amplifiers. It also gives you 8 high-quality analog in and outs, and 16 digital I/Os.
It's a really convenient environment for developing interactive systems, and that's especially true of audio systems, but it's not only for audio. You can use it to control LEDs, servo motors, stepper motors, all sorts of sensors and actuators.
Bela runs on Linux, so you get access to networking, storage, USB, and other peripherals. On most systems, audio code goes through the OS and has to compete for time with all the other processes on the board. This results in high latency and can create glitches in the audio if the processor can't respond fast enough. With Bela, we've created a custom audio environment that goes straight to the hardware, bypassing the OS entirely. The audio and sensor code is always the highest priority task on the board. But it's still very easy to use. You can program it with a lightweight Arduino-like environment using C++. The IDE also has an oscilloscope to visualize your audio and sensor signals. Or instead, compile pure data patches straight onto the board using Heavy from NZN Audio. The generated code is highly optimized and lets you address audio and sensor ins and outs directly from within a patch.
We've got a very easy system in place which allows you to carry out very rapid prototyping, so you can go from 0 to a fully working system in a matter of minutes.
Bela has been developed in the Augmented Instruments Lab, part of the Centre for Digital Music at Queen Mary University of London. Both the hardware and software are entirely open source.
We want as many people as possible to be able to get their hands on this platform. Once you have the power of low latency processing in your hands, you realize how widely applicable it is.
We're launching this Kickstarter campaign because we think that Bela is a fantastic new way of programming embedded audio and sensor data. It's much more accurate and faster than any other options which are out there at the moment.